Hey guys, what's going on? This is Trainman/Tekka here, and today I am going to be playing Tornado Siren map on Roblox. So before we get started, as you remember, probably 2 or 3 days ago, I lost power in my house as I was playing Sponge Chapter 5. But that video was, well, I was about ready to end it anyway because it was about to be too long or something like that. It was like 45 minutes and 5 seconds long. So anyway, also before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that way you don't miss any videos that I make, when I can or if I can or whatever. So anyways, without any other hesitations, let's get started. So we got the Tornado Siren up there. The test day is on Wednesday at 1. So that's when they'll be testing the sirens. So yeah, so you got a lot of different stuff. You got the current time and date on here. It shows, the current time, the current day, and the date. Yeah, and you got the radar basement. There is a recent character room. Let me show you that really quick. As we're here. Yeah, let's see, recent character. Alright, so yeah, so you got like different types of stuff. You got, let me go back to the basement really quick. You got flashlight. You got your radio. Yeah, you got your radio. You got your video probe. Oops, sorry. I didn't mean to click that twice. And you got data probe. So yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. Why don't we go ahead and change to Storm Chaser. How about that? Yeah. Alright, so you got your radar right down here. You got the map, the radar map. You got your tornado data. And you got your Meso clone, and you got the weather warnings right there, and you have the compass rose. You also got the storm risk. There is another radio down here, right over there. Yeah, so that way you can hear it a little bit. I'm trying to see if I can, no, nothing. Okay, let me go ahead and turn it down then. Yeah, for some reason it's not playing music. I don't know. Alright, so we have to, oh, looks like we got a cloud down here. So, that will change. Yeah, so the color for the no weather warning is white, as you can see. The one for the severe thunderstorm warning is orange, and the tornado warning is red. So it'll be changing its color, and then it will change the thing. Also, when the warning comes up, the display comes up, as a severe thunderstorm warning or tornado warning, and then the red will flash. The message will also come up on this display over here, the very top one, but it'll say EAS on the second one, on that, the very second one. So, yeah, so I'm tracking it right now. Right now it's on, the first one, the very top one. So you got your EF tornadoes, 0 through 5, and then that's the miles per hour it needs to be at in order. Oh, there it is. There you go. Here we go. Severe thunderstorm warning, guys. Let's listen. I heard the thunder too.
The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, along with County in southeastern Wisconsin until 6:30 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Lake Geneva and moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Lake Geneva, Twin Lakes, East Troy, Union Grove, Lynn Lake, Genoa City, Hell Lake, Powers Lake, Honors Lake, Silver Lake, Burlington Airport, Browns Lake, Potter Lake, Rochester, Eagle Lake, Waterford North, Tibbetts, Abel's Corners, and Spring Prairie. This storm has exhibited some weak rotation. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although one is not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room.
Alright, so as you just heard, that was the severe thunderstorm warning. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention about the elevator. This elevator does not really go anywhere. It does move, however, but it does not, like, you trust me, you don't want to use the elevator. It does not, you know, when I hit the -2 floor, it, you know, you just die instantly on that. So, ooh, there's the cloud, but it's not like close to us. It's over there. But the part like the light gray cloud is above us, kind of, but it's not like on us. So, yeah, so there's the cloud. Oh yeah, every time when you enter the game, that will be in a different spot, like in a different spots in the map. And I played this off camera, and it's not, you know, too bad. I mean, I kind of like this game. I mean, I really do, actually. It's one of my favorites, at least. Oh, we got a tornado warning, guys. Tornado warning. Here we go. Let's listen. Wait until the alarm goes off. Oh yeah, I want to show you something. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. Alright, let's listen. Go back over here and listen.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Durham County, southwestern Granville County, northeastern Orange County, north central Wake County until 6:45 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado over Sly, 8 miles northeast of Hillsborough, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. 2-inch diameter hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour are also likely with this storm. Locations impacted include Lahama, Durham, Gorman. This includes Interstate 85 between exits 170 and 184. This includes Interstate 540 between exits 2 and 11. This includes the Durham Freeway between exits 6 and 16. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado, making it difficult to see. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Please report severe weather to the nearest law enforcement agency and ask them to relay your report to the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Raleigh. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Granville, Orange, and Wake.
Yeah, so right now it's a EF0 tornado right now, so it's light. Oh, and it just upgraded to a EF1. So yeah, as you can tell, there is you can tell by the color. It changes colors, like from light blue to all the way to pink or purple, pinkish purple, whatever color that is. Yeah. So yeah. Alright, so let's go up there really quick and we'll check it out. I'm not going to spawn any cars or anything. Yep, there it is. It's over there. I know it may be hard to see over there. Let me see if I can turn to the side so that way you can see it a little better. Yeah, there it is. It's over there. Right over there. Right there. Yeah, it's moving, southwest, I believe it is. Here. Yeah, it was moving upwards, like northwest, but now it's moving southwest. Yeah. Alright, so I guess we don't need the radio then. Alright. Yeah, it just downgraded to a EF0. Or no, it's still the EF1. Never mind. I thought it downgraded. Okay, so yeah, so it's moving north or southwest, I'm sorry. Yeah. So it's at 86 mile an hour right now. Yeah. So it's moderate. Yeah, so you got light, moderate, considerable, severe, devastating. I think it's supposed to be disastering. And then you got incredible. Yeah. Yeah, so it's still at an 86 mile an hour area. But it should be downgrading here very it should be downgrading soon. Yeah. So it's at 85, still EF1, but it should be down. Oh, it just downgraded back to EF0. So yeah. So it should be downgrading again soon. Once it hits the 65, it should go back to severe thunderstorm warning. Yeah, I'm not gonna go chase it down or anything. So yeah, because it's pretty far out. So yeah, so it should be downgrading here in a little bit. We're not gonna, stay for very long. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, there's like a siren right there. There's the siren panels. And you got the siren key, but that's for friends only. And then you have this satellite dish. And then you have this computer, or the monitor. And then upstairs, yeah, it should be, should downgrade. Hold on, let's watch. One second, guys. Alright, yep. Downgrade right about now. Hold on. If it downgrades, then yep, there it is. It downgraded. Yeah, and then it should downgrade to a no weather warning. Yeah, see. Oh yeah, and in here, the garage, or whatever. Yeah, so you got that siren panel over there, you got this siren, and then you have this crate, or box, whatever, table. Yeah, so you got all the city, you got the whole town over there. Let me see if I can zoom out. No, I can't go very far, but Yeah, so you got the town over there. You got some fields and whatnot over there. Or not like a tall field, but you know. Alright, and then it should downgrade to. It looks like it's going south. So it's not coming anywhere this way. Yeah, so I'm just watching it. It should downgrade to a no weather warning here, soon. Hopefully. Yeah, so we'll go back to Citizens team and then, wrap it up. Once it, downgrades. There goes the thunder. And then it should downgrade again. Just waiting for it. Yeah, we're not gonna go drive around town or anything. So hopefully it downgrades soon or something. Yeah. Looks like the mile per hour stuff is still going down. Yeah, it looks like it might be moving out of the area. Yeah. Yeah, so it looks like most of the clouds have moved out of the area. I mean, you could tell how dark it was underneath there, but it wasn't above, or anything. It was just, like, a little far out, but, yeah. Alright, that downgraded to a no weather warning. Okay, guys. Let's go back to Citizens team and then wrap it up. Alright, so now we are on the Citizens team. Thank you. Alright, that's where we're going to wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And that's the Roblox CN Weather Center over there that we were just in. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. So that way you don't miss any videos, you know, that I make whenever I can. Or if I can, or, you know, whenever. Anyways, this is Streamman /Tech Guy, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Take care.